Crude oil finally, after a series of bearish candles and bearish move hitting the lows at 65 in this week, has now started to show signs of bullishness. Now it has already seen today 67.4, 67.5 levels, the next milestone, the next resistance zone. As we have discussed few hours back, I have told you that it is trading oversold and possibility of a reversal and a rise exists here. While it is natural gas after hitting the highs, now trying to erase some of the gains, both behave precisely as we discussed and mentioned. What to expect now from crude oil and net gas with the US session, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Now if you look at oil on the hourly charts, what has happened? See, what did we discuss earlier in the day, that it is delivering higher lows. Higher lows suggest that it is under retracement and it can deliver higher highs. What has happened? It is moved towards higher highs. Now this is the most critical zone for oil to break beyond 67.5 and then 68.5 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can say now this is on the path of a complete reversal. But what is happening? Notice here, see, it has formed a very good base now at 60. With that as base, prices flew here towards the upside, now trying to erase some of the gains. It is possible that erasing some of the gains towards 66.5, again it can bounce back. If not today, then possibly next week. See, the moving averages have started to converge, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Look at the stochastic. This is trading slightly overbought, while MACD is still under retracement, looking upwards, trading with bullishness here. It has still lot much of room on the upside. RSI has also seen the highs here. Coming to the 2-hour. Now, see on the 2-hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, slightly higher highs and higher lows are seen. It is under retracement, trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Now see, preceding candle is an indecision candle. Also it was outside Bollinger Bands. Current one is starting with higher lows, so possibility of another bullish candle exists. And thus now if you see oil trading beyond 67.4, 67.6, you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move all the way towards 68. Now 68 is the first milestone, and then 68.5, 68.4, this is the next milestone. If at all oil trades beyond 68.4, 68.5, consider that as a reversal. We are waiting for 69 and 70 as well, very soon, if not today. Moving averages are showing signs of conversion, which is good sign, supportive for further rise. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. See the divergence here, see the candle size is increasing, suggestive of more bullishness ahead. The RSI is flat here. Coming to 3 hour. Now if you look at the 3-hour chart, see, despite it is staying bearish, a retracement towards the 20-50 period moving average is a must. This time what has happened? It has breached beyond 20 period and now aspiring towards 50 period. So wait for it to now trade beyond 68 and 68.5. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now we are looking forward to a rise towards 69. Now notice what has happened so far. See the bearishness here, then the retracement, then the bearishness, now consolidation and a breakout. So it suggests more bullishness ahead. But then look at the body size here. The body size is getting diminished. Appears on the upside there is a greater resistance here. So wait for it to trade beyond 67.4, 67.6, while on the downside 66.5 and 66 are going to remain greater support. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour charts, and similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. And yes, it is retracing consistently. Every time it follows with a drop is seen, it follows with a good retracement. So now possibility is aspiring for 68, 68.5 levels. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD has seen good enough drop here, and these are the waves which you are talking about. And the next wave has initiated greener side, so it is under retracement. It can possibly take the prices higher towards 68.5 or 69 zone. The RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to the day. On the daily charts, what did we discuss yesterday? See, lower highs and higher lows are seen. Preceding candle could be a reversal sign. See, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Also, diminishing body size is seen. What has happened with that? You can see a flat bottom is seen and the prices are now looking upwards. It is possible that it can in fact keep on rising. It can in fact move towards 68 or 68.5. In fact, the divergence of the price from the 20 period suggests that sooner or later it has to move towards 69-70 zone as well, and breaking beyond which you can say now it is reversed. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is at bottom as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, Be a part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest 6%, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 67.25 levels. Expect 67.5, 67.6 as the first target level, 68 as the next. And if 68 is taken, stay bullish for 68.4. Once 68.4 is taken, it is very likely that we are looking at 69.3 and 70 zone very, very soon, if not today. The next is where you should sell. Ideally, today the selling entry has to be below 66, but it is a far below level. Thus, you can sell here at 66.5 levels, expected to move towards 60, and any move below 66 is a sign of more bearishness. You can expect it to move all the way towards 65.5. 65, I do not expect it to break 65 anyways. Today it is still staying bullish. I do not expect it to in fact drop below 66 as well. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas on the hourly charts. The crossover in the moving average is definitely is a good bearish sign here for nat gas. See, already we have seen a good enough rally hitting the highs at 4.55. Now it is trying to erase some of the gains. Notice that it is delivering a bearish channel here where lower highs and lower lows are seen. Now it is very, very important for it to trade below 4.2 and 4.18. So you can in fact sell at 4.2 levels and expect it to move towards 4.18. 4.18, 4.152 support levels which are going to remain pretty strong. Below this you can expect 4.08 levels as the next support here. See, the crossover is happening after a good bullish move, so possibly this can continue here for a while. Also notice that yes, it is trading in this bearish channel. A breakout above 4.3 is a confirmation of reversal as well. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish. RSI is at bottom. It is trading oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 2-hour charts. When you see the 2-hour charts, the moving averages have started to converge here. These have not yet crossed over. We have seen lower highs and we have seen lower lows here. Wait for a breakout above 4. Now 4.3 ideally would be a level beyond which you can expect little bullishness. Notice that the preceding few candles comes with a wick and a tail here, and it is closed in red. So now if you see natural gas trading below 4.2 and 4.18, stay short for 4.15 and 4.08 levels, the next target zone. Notice that it has delivered two bullish candles. After this consolidation, it is trying to raise the gains. It can move towards 4.08, 4.1. But let's wait for it to trade below 4.2 in order to confirm the next targets. Stochastic is staying oversold here, which calls for a little recovery. The MACD is still trading bearish after hitting the highs. It is now crossed over for a sell. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? We have seen straight bearish candles. It is taking the support from the 50 period here and trying to bounce back. But I think it is going to be difficult for now for gas to stay beyond 4.3. 4.3 is ideally going to offer a very strong resistance here on the upside. If it trades beyond 4.3, certainly the bulls will try to take over, and then we can expect 4.4, 4.5 levels here. Notice what has happened here. Notice the move here, rise, retracement, the rise, the retracement, and you can see higher lows and higher highs. It is staying in the bullish channel. The lows for this channel are now towards 4 and 3.94. Stochastic has come towards an oversold zone. The MACD is still trading with divergence, staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. While when you look at the 4-hour chart, similar observation, the moving averages are now trying to converge. The prices are trading below 20 period, making 4.3 levels as a greater resistance zone. Wait for it to trade beyond 4.3. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to an oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to on the daily charts, what's happening here? You can find out the resistance here on the upside. Lower highs are seen, and then a diminishing bullishness. First bearish candle yesterday, and today it is offering the second candle. Now second candle suggests it may continue with this retracement. See, every rise offsets with a retracement. Every rise could offset with a retracement, and if it starts to retrace today, now it is 4 and 3.94, which is going to offer the maximum support. See, higher lows are there, higher highs are there. The lows of this channel are towards $4 levels, which is quite possible in the near future. Yes, the stochastic at the top, the MACD is trading bullish. It is green here, and it is not yet trying to reverse. It can still achieve further highs, but right now I think it is struggling a little on the upside. The RSI is at the top, trying to look downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. So now considering this, what I will recommend, see, buying entries are actually far beyond. You can buy here at 4.26 and expect it to move towards 4.3. Now 4.3 is the level beyond which you can expect that the prices are turning bullish. You can look forward to 4.34 and then 4.4 levels, chances for which appears to be very, very less. I do not expect net gas to deliver such a strong bullish momentum. While on the downside now 4.2 is the level below which you can take a selling entry. When you see the higher price below 4.2, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 4.18, 4.1817 first target zone, 4.14 below 4.14. You can expect it to move towards 4.1 and 4.08. Below 4.08 is where you can say now we are looking forward to a greater correction. Prices are going to head all the way towards $4 levels. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews we are going to share tomorrow for crude oil and net gas. This is going to give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from the energy prices in the coming week. Can we expect oil, which is can we say that it has bottomed? Can we expect it to recover completely and trade beyond 70? And we'll try to find out the answers for net gas, which is right now trading extremely bullish. Do not miss to watch it. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.